What's good, crypto? I'm your host, Marvin, here bringing you a daily scoop on everything going on in crypto. Monday through Friday, we come here to educate ourselves when it comes to life, to make life-changing wealth by investing in crypto. If that's something you can get down with, make sure to subscribe to the podcast, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Media by Marvin, and TikTok at Crypto by Marvin. Change my name there, so to differentiate myself between my work and my art and what I do on TikTok. So make sure to go do that. But things are looking good, guys. Things are starting to move in the right direction. I'll be honest. Yesterday, I was starting to get a little bit bearish, but I had to slap myself out of it because I was like, dude, we're hanging out at $58,000. We've been closing at 60,000 for 12 days. Why be bearish? There's no indication of bearishness, So usually when I start to hear the bearish tone, I'm like, okay, maybe we're getting close to a turnaround point. And you know what? I was right to listen to myself at least. And we're going to talk about Plan B, his predictions, and just the overall market, what's going on, the craziness with Shiba. If you made money with Shiba, congratulations. Honestly, hats off to you. I rode one Doge. I rode one meme token already. That was enough for me this year, personally. But you know what? If you're in early, congratulations. Or if you're able to manage to catch on to the ride and make profit, good for you. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market, though. Again, if you're interested in using stable coins or staking your crypto to make passive income, that way when the market is down and you don't panic sell and you just make passive income while the market just trades sideways, make sure to use my link to sign up for Celsius, link in the description down below. Currently, we're sitting at 66 on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're still in greed. We're down from yesterday, 73, and down from last week's 84. Keep in mind, a week ago, we were at about all-time high. So about 10 or 11 days since the all-time highs at least. Last month, we were at 25. Honestly, I'm not surprised. I'm surprised we're still in greed. I thought we'd be neutral considering we were down 58,000, but at the same time, we were at 58,000. That is pretty freaking good. Taking a look over the last year, when we were hitting all-time highs in December, January, and even February and March, we were around the 70s area. So keep in mind that, we are actually in a very normal place for all-time highs and movement in the right direction. For some reason, CoinMarketCap isn't working, so I won't be able to pull it up and do my normal, very, 2-year-old TA, but I'll do my best. But overall, right now we're in a moment of consolidation, which is fine. Typically, whenever we hit all-time highs, we usually see pullbacks more aggressive, around 20%. So the fact that we're only 13 to 12% from all-time highs, it's actually a blessing. Taking a look at the market right now, we can see, let me refresh the page. Yeah, so the market is up about 4% right now, which is really, really good. We see Bitcoin hanging out at 61,270 from yesterday's 57,800, I believe. Let me take a look. Yep, yesterday we dipped down to about, I think we wicked down below 58,000, but we held 58,000 for the most part. And overnight, we were able to bounce up. So things are looking really, really good for Bitcoin. So we're hanging out at 61,270. Taking a look at other prices for the market. Ethereum at 4,188, Binance Coin at 483. Also, I had an amazing experience with Crypto.com. Recently, I was sending some BNB from my Trust wallet over to my Crypto.com wallet. I inserted the right address, but I didn't insert the right memo. That is very important. I sent to the wrong memo. I was able to get the transaction ID, send everything over, do the screenshots for Crypto.com, and I was able to receive almost everything. I think I was down $100 from what I lost, but it was because I sent 2 transactions, and for each transaction they recoup, it's $50, which I was very happy to pay to get back almost $1,500 worth, now almost $2,000 worth of Binance Coin. Cardano at $2, it got knocked down pretty hard, not gonna lie. It was at 220 and it dipped down to 190 yesterday, I believe. Solana almost back to $200. XRP really hasn't done anything. Shiba right below XRP, which is nuts, at 0.000078. Shiba Inu, you know, honestly doing pretty well for itself. I mean, it's only down from its all-time highs of 0.88, so like maybe 15-20%. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a little bit more of an aggressive pullback, just because it seems like, you know, we're developing a higher low. But who knows? Anything could happen. If it gets a bullish catalyst like being listed on Robinhood or some other crazy news, maybe we'll see another pump or some crazy endorsement. But right now, you know, I mentioned it on my TikTok, right when we're about 0.0063, 0.0007, that maybe consider taking profits at about 0.00008, just because that's typically when we see, you know, after we peak out, typically when you see a blow off top. And is this a blow off top? Kind of looks like it, but you never know. You never know with crypto. Typically when you have a blow off top, you have a relief rally, and the relief rally would have been at the previous high of 0.0076, 0.00008. So that would have been a good time to take profits, but we can see right now, you know, it's staying stagnant. So nothing too crazy going on. I mean, a lot of things crazy going on with Shiba, but right now, staying stagnant. Polkadot at $42, Dogecoin at about 31 cents. That's amazing. A lot of people were hypothesizing that possibly after a Shiba pump, we'll see a Doge pump, and Doge is up about 25%. So that's very impressive. Terra Luna, everything is basically in the green, just because yesterday was so insane, with just Shiba pumping and everything taking a hit. Things are starting to climb back up. In terms of the winners, let's take a look. Krill is up 50%. Shiba is up 42%, but it's down a little bit, so depending on how you look at it. Doge is up. Origin Trail, Curve has been doing very, very well recently. Very, very well. So good for Curve. Phantom is up. Loopring, Rary, PlateApp, LCX. One is up again. We're almost back to all-time high, so good to see that. Polygon, a lot of people were complaining that Polygon wasn't moving, but it is moving. It was just like at $1.25 for so long, so it's almost at $2. So awesome to see that. Cosmos is up, but almost everything is up. In terms of the losers, there's really not a lot that I could possibly imagine, unless it like pumped within the last day or two, then it's probably down. So yep, 1inch had a major run up, so down 13%. I don't know much about Brain Trust, Suku, Jasmine. These are coins that I'm pretty much not familiar with. These are probably over the top 100, and I don't really explore too much out of the top 100. Engine Coin down a little bit. It had a really good run up the other day. It was about $2.20 some cents. So it to be down a little bit is not surprising. Chili is down 1%. I got out of AMP, guys. You know what? It might have a run up. It could, but it's just been so stagnant. Like, the chart does not look good. It just continues to keep on going down. It's not making higher highs or anything. Honestly, like Dogecoin's chart looks so much better than AMP. Like, at least looking at the yearly, it's continuing to make higher highs. It's slowly making its way up, very slowly, but yeah, AMP was not looking good. But overall, the market is looking very, very healthy in my opinion. Market's up 4%. I think we're almost at 2.6 trillion in market cap. Let me see if coin market cap works. Oh, it works now. Here we go. Yep, so you can see Bitcoin at 61,131. Avalanche is starting to move its way back up to $70. That's $64. And Chainlink holding $30. Love seeing that. Overall, the market's looking good. We're almost at 2.6 trillion. We are starting to heal from our battle wounds. Now I can do some Bitcoin TA very, very quickly. Can't do it. Just kidding. But wanted to share some things from Plan B. He predicted that August would close at 47, which we did. September we closed 43. We did. The next target for this month is 63. We are at $61,000. It is Thursday. The month closes in 3 days. To tell me that we're not going to rally at least $2,000 to $3,000 by Sunday is ludicrous. I think we're going to hit 63,000 just at the right amount of 63,000 or above it. Then November, we're going to moonshot. I think we're going to have an insane November and same December. If he gets October at 63 and then November we start to really rally to 70, 80, this guy is clearly from the future, honestly. We're going to have some of the best months ahead. We're going to see altcoins go bananas. We're going to see everything go crazy, which is so excited. Do you guys think that Plan B's predictions are accurate? Let me know in the comments below. Also, he shared this meme. I have a lot of Plan B stuff to share. Plan B, step 1, liquidate all leverage longs. If you don't know, yesterday, longs got absolutely wrecked. I think like 500, I forget how much, but billions of dollars were liquidated yesterday, which is very unfortunate because we love the longs, but people are late long, and that means like the people who longed at like 30,000-40,000 are doing fantastic. But people will try to leverage longs at all-time highs, thinking that, you know, there's a lot of momentum in the rally and will continue to go up, and when it does and it goes down, people get liquidated. So really unfortunate to see that. Really unfortunate for, you know, a lot of the traders getting wrecked. So, but with less leverage in the system, that means we can move up higher, which is really good. Plan B also printed this. I think I mentioned this on yesterday or the days before video and podcast. We just printed our first red dot on the stock to flow. The bluer the dot is, that means the further away we are from all-time highs. Usually those are amazing times to buy the dip. Blue dots are usually when we're in the midst of a bear market, like back in 2018, back in the middle of 2015, 2016, and back in 2012. We printed our first red dot. This means we are going to start moving towards all-time highs. This is looking really good. I'm super excited. So we have a lot of good things to look forward to, in my opinion, in the next coming months. Some other news, Vivi, if you guys are into Vivi, we just got the announcement that Vivi has gotten partnership with Disney. So we are collaborating to launch a series of digital collectibles featuring beloved iconic characters from the world's most beloved stories. This could be Disney princesses, this could be Star Wars, so on and so forth. And they're even doing some utility where if you hold one of these collectibles, you could either get 3 months or years worth of years subscription to Disney Plus, which is really exciting. Also, today we have the new Marvel digital comic drop of The Power of X #1. It drops today at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And lastly, apparently this guy on TikTok, this is from Lark Davis's channel, he sold his sheep at a 20% loss earlier this year. Had he held it, he would have made about $1 billion worth of sheep. Again, this is why I always say, you know, sell your initial investment, you know, have a moon back, let it sit there. And had he done that, had he just sold his initial investment and made profit and let the moon back hold, he would have had tens, hundreds of millions of dollars, if not $1 billion. That's it for today, guys. Things are looking good. The market is looking healthy. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode. Tomorrow's Friday, and I'll see you guys then. Peace out.